Both cold email and cold calling are huge across several different industries for a reason. They are tried and true ways to bring in revenue for your business. And if you're just starting a cleaning business or commercial cleaning business, which is what I do, then I highly suggest looking into one or both of them. In this video, I talk about how to approach going into these sales methods, even if it's not something that you're strong at or something that you even want to do yourself. This is actually from a live stream, which I do live streams every Tuesday at 3 p.m. Make sure you go and check out one of the live streams. The Tuesday live streams are one of the most valuable things I do on this channel, so make sure you go and check them out where you can come and ask questions to me directly in real time. And I think there's nothing more valuable that I can offer you guys than my time for free on those Tuesday live streams. They're so valuable, in fact, that I'm going to start making the playback of the live streams only available for members, so members of the channel. So if you click on the description, you'll see join the channel with a little YouTube logo. That's how you join the channel. It is a paid feature, but I think it's going to be really beneficial for those who partake in it. And the live streams are so valuable, and I think it's a cool thing to give to the channel members for supporting the channel. So join the channel and go check out the live stream playbacks while they're still available. But this is from a live stream, and I think the way the questions panned out, it became one of the most valuable pieces of content, so I had to clip it for you guys. Make sure you watch this video to the end to get the full value, because like I said, as the questions started to come about and the order in which they came really helped me to dive deeper into both of these sales methods and a bunch of different bonus information for you guys. So I think it's extremely valuable, so I really wanted to give this to you guys. Make sure you like this video so that more people get to see it. The YouTube algorithm really loves likes, so go ahead and like this video for your boy. Comment below and let me know what you think of the video. Subscribe to this channel. One of the best things you can be doing for your cleaning business is to be on a continuous learning journey, and that means subscribing to channels like this. Someone who's done exactly what you're trying to do and has been successful with it. You get to learn from my mistakes and my successes and implement things into your business that work for you.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing them. This for all my boss days. Go through your boss days.
Do I think the hand-to-hand flyer method is good? To be honest, in commercial cleaning, I don't think the hand-to-hand flyer method is good. I guess it depends on how you're doing it. If you're door knocking and you're going into these facilities and you're able to hand this flyer off to somebody, to a decision maker or maybe to a gatekeeper, then yeah, then it would be good because you got an opportunity to actually to talk and present your business a little bit. But just leaving flyers in places, I think, you know, it's better than nothing, but you'll waste a lot of money. There's a lot of other things you can do for free that'll be a little bit more effective. Email marketing is free. You can find those emails and email them before you spend hundreds of dollars on a stack of flyers. But I would use them as just marketing material, like as I'm talking and as I'm actually going door to door to these places. So what's the best method to get commercial cleaning? The best method, like you mean commercial cleaning accounts? I have said this time and time again. You can want to market however you want to market, and if you are talented at some particular method of marketing, then kudos to you, and absolutely kudos to you. Everything takes skill. There's like Google ads is my favorite. I like running Google ads. It's search based. You pick up on everything that's searching for you because that's just how our industry works. It generally, when some bigwig at a company says this place is dirty or I don't like the cleaners, they say to an assistant or a secretary or somebody else, hey, go find another cleaning company to come into this place. And what that person does is they go to Google. They hop on their computer, they go to Google, and they search for cleaning companies near me, or janitorial service near me, or gym cleaner near me, or they'll type in their facility type and cleaner near me. And what I like to do is show up when they're looking for it. Every now and then you'll run marketing and you'll pick up those accounts that will see your ad and they'll be like, oh yeah, our cleaning company sucks, let me reach out to them. That does work, but you have to be good at that. That's a skill-based thing. And so, but any you can use any avenue if you have skill in it. Facebook marketing, I know people that do excellent Facebook marketing. I know people that only run Yelp ads and have a $2 million cleaning business. So it depends on what you're good at. Me saying do any particular avenue is like me saying
being an NBA basketball player is a great business idea. It's a great financial decision to go and be an NBA player because, there's only 15 people on the team. You make great money. You have a couple months off a year. Being an NBA player is a fantastic idea. But the question is, are you good at basketball? Are you good enough at basketball to be an NBA player and make it to that level? So it doesn't matter which avenue you go through in marketing, whether you want to do Facebook marketing, if you want to do Google ads, if you want to do LinkedIn ads and outreach, you want to do email marketing, hell, if you want to do flyers. If you're good at it, you can make millions of dollars doing it. It's a skill. It depends on how good you are at that marketing type. So
I specialize in coaching and consulting for new and aspiring commercial cleaning business owners just like you. My goal is to equip you with the tools and the knowledge you need to thrive in this competitive industry. For me, you're going to get tailored guidance while you work with me one-on-one while I come up with a custom plan for you and your business. You'll get industry insights while you benefit from my years of experience in the commercial cleaning industry. I share my best practices, marketing strategies, and industry secrets, and anything else you need to get ahead. You're also going to save a lot of money by avoiding costly mistakes by learning from someone who's experienced and who's done exactly what you're trying to do. This is going to save you time and money. When you encounter obstacles or uncertainty, I'll be there with solutions to help you make informed decisions. I can keep you on track and remain motivated with regular coaching sessions to help you focus on your business goals. Click the link in the description below to book a one-on-one session with me, and we can help get your business to the next level.
Thoughts on cold calling versus emailing? It depends on Railjack. Shout out to you, Railjack. I appreciate you for tapping in with me and getting in the comments. Everybody else get in the comments, man. I see a couple people on here, man. Y'all get in the comments. Let me know y'all here. But Railjack, thoughts on cold calling versus email? Do them both. Do them both. Especially if you're just starting out. Those are the free. That's free marketing that everyone still does to this day. It's industry standard. People use cold calling and emailing to this day to build 6- and 7-figure businesses. Cold calling, if you have the stomach for it, if you're okay with hearing a lot of no's, if you like to talk to people, if you have a likable personality about you, if you're good on the phone, then yes, do cold calling. I cold called probably for the first $330,000 in revenue for my business. So cold calling is amazing, industry standard, foolproof. It's tried and true. It's a tried and true method. Emails are also really, really good. Email marketing is a thing for a reason. It's a $1 billion industry for a reason. Email marketing is just as effective as cold calling. But like I said, it's like whether or not you should be an NBA player. Like, yeah, you should, but are you good at it? Email marketing is tried and true. It's people make millions of dollars every day with email marketing lists. So, of course, email marketing works, cold calling works. The either or is going to be your personality type. Are you better on the phone, or are you better at writing copy? If you're a good copywriter, you should probably lean more into doing email. If you're better on the phone or talking to people, then you're probably going to want to cold call. If you're good at both, then you're going to want to make a system to do both of those. Say you go on Upwork, you hire VAs to do cold calls for you, and you're good at writing out the cold call script. Write out the cold call script, give it to your VAs, let them set you appointments. If you're good at email, you're good at copywriting, make that email sequence and build your list, send those emails out, get those customers. Let's see who we got on. All right, we got some people on here now. Let's see, Keontae Davis. What is the best approach for cold email? Best approach for cold email, you're gonna have to do some research, and you want to open with something that's gonna be beneficial to that business, something that's gonna help that particular business. It's not to say you can't come up with something, for whoever you're trying to target, but you gotta target somebody. You gotta aim somewhere. If you're just shooting out into the ether, eventually, yeah, you might hit something, but aim at something in particular, and it'll give you a much better return rate. You gotta try to hit something. So if you are targeting, gym facilities, I started with gym facilities. I saw something happen on the news when I first started targeting gym facilities, that there was a staph infection and MRSA thing going around in certain gyms. And so I made some emails that talked about that, how to prevent your, how to prevent your business or your gym from spreading MRSA or having people with staph infections, and you make, copy and material around that, and you send it off to those people. But that's how I approach cold email. That's how I still do it today, actually. But you have to come up with something that's directed at these people that they're going to care about, and they only care about their business and what's going to save their business or make their business money. So appreciate y'all for being here. I appreciate y'all tapping in with me. But yeah, we can keep it rolling. Let's see what we got in here. How you find the emails. So Keys Open Door 12 says, how do we find the emails? There's 2 ways you can find emails or build email lists. Actually, there's 3 ways. So the first way is you can buy a list. You can go to an email marketing company or a data collection company. I know Adon Rigg is really active on my LinkedIn, and I know he makes YouTube videos as well. I know he owns a prospecting company, so you can reach out to somebody like them, pay $100 to $300 and get an email list of all the businesses or all the whatever facility types that you target in your area, and you can buy that list. The second way is you can old school manually create that list. I mean, go to Google, search for your facility type, click through those pages, go on those websites, click on their About Me section, look for their contact information of whoever the decision maker is, and take that email, put it in a spreadsheet, and then when you're ready to actually start sending out emails, you send out emails. The third way, which is my favorite, is how I do on this channel.
Your potential clients have no clue how big your business is or what it looks like on the inside. What they know is what you present to them. So if you are just presenting that same typical estimate sheet or quote sheet that everyone sees with the logo at the top and the itemized thing that says cleaning and a price, if you're doing that just like everyone else, then you're not going to stand out very much. If you want a more professional way to present your business, I created a template for proposals that you can download and customize to your own branding and your own colors and use it for yourself. And I guarantee you that you will have a lot more success. It'll show your potential customers that you actually care and you put some time into what you're presenting and how you're presenting your business. So download the proposal template. It's absolutely free. There's a link in the description labeled proposal template. Click that. Type in your email and download the proposal. You will have to confirm your email address and then the second email will come to you. I think it's of extreme value. Even if you don't use my template, at least you get to see how I'm doing proposals and be able to create one for yourself. And even doing that, I think is going to give you a much higher success rate. So download the proposal template in the link in the description. That's my gift to you guys.
I offered you guys a proposal template, right? If any of you guys actually went and downloaded the proposal template, you will see that it's a lead magnet. You have to give me your email address in order to download the proposal template. That's how you build an email list. You provide value, you create content that provides value, and you create something that provides even more value that your people want, that your target audience wants, and they give you their contact information in exchange for whatever resource that you give them. So that's number 3, and that's the easiest way because you can continuously make content. The content is repurposed for a bunch of different other purposes and can even be a revenue generator as well. So super bonus information right there. That's fire. If you watching this video, just that alone was worth the price of admission. So if you're just getting here and you missed out on that one, then you're gonna want to rewind it and take a listen at what I just said. Let's see. So yeah, I just gave you all 3 ways to find email addresses. 2 really good ways and 1 paid way. Let's see. Rojak says, I'm not a fan of cold calling, but a lot of people recommend it to me because my personality. I want to do emails, so seeing how it goes. Yeah, I mean, doing both. If you got the personality for cold calling, there's nothing like it. I mean, people still cold call in every other industry. It's huge in real estate. It's if it didn't work, people wouldn't do it. It's just the skill set of being able to do it. That's really it. If you're good with your voice, you got the gift of gab, use it, man. Make those calls. It's tried and true. People have done this decade in and decade out. Cold calling works, and it probably will work as long as we like to communicate via phones. So email everyone wants to do email, but email is a lot harder, especially cold email. If you're not like building a list in the third way that I said, where you're putting out content and you're giving away something that people want to give you in exchange for their email, that's the best way to do it, because you're going to have the highest open rate. People know, like, and trust you already, and so as you're nurturing them through your email, you're just kind of staying in front of them. They already know, like, and trust you, so it's not a difficult sale when you go to actually sell via email. Cold email, most people, it just kind of comes off as spam, especially if they've never heard about you before. You're kind of just hoping that you send someone an email, and just by stroke of luck, they're also in the market for cleaning at that time. It's a little bit hard. Not to say that it's impossible. It just takes a little bit more skill. I guess the same could be said for cold calling, but it's a little bit more personal, and you can make relationships, and as you make those relationships, you can still collect email addresses. So if people aren't available, you can collect email addresses via phone and continue to build your email list. And I don't think it's not a or thing, whether you're going to do email or cold calling. You need to be doing both. These are the basics of business sales. You need to be reaching out to people, asking for sales. The more you do, the more you're going to have. So if you send out emails, get people's email address, and have emails going out. Create email sequences so they're continuously going out. Think in systems. There's a lot of programs online that will automatically send emails every whatever so often, whatever frequency you pick. Take advantage of that. Do cold calling. If you're good at cold calling, make some calls. Make calls every day. If it's not something that you want to do, then have a VA do it. Go and get a VA. That's super cheap. If you have the money, have a VA do it. But these are the ways that you're going to get those first sales before you can even think about doing or have revenue to do ads or any other type of marketing. So these are two things that are free, and cold calling and cold emailing are tried and true. It's just a numbers game. The more you do, the more you're going to get. The more no's you get, the more yeses you're going to get. That's not new. I know you've heard that before, but everyone's trying to avoid the work and avoid the no's and the embarrassment when you shouldn't be thinking about that. You really should just be thinking about the next yes. The more no's you get, the closer you are to a yes, and the yeses are worth the no's, bar none. The no's are so worth the yes. The yeses are so worth the no's. Well, Jax, really appreciate the information and time. Absolutely, man. My pleasure. This is what I love doing.